Hello, everyone. Drew here with the Drew Network doing the 2024 Proof of Life video. The Drew Network was created by me, I think in 2008, as kind of a joke as I played around with the new technologies back in the era. There are all sorts of new tools from Adobe now and Premiere Pro, and I'm talking for the purpose of creating audio to use, to test in post. And assuming the keying worked, the footage worked, and all of that worked, then it results in a video, the Proof of Life 2024 video. Hi, everyone, I'm Drew. I have no idea who still remains out there. I have no idea who is on YouTube these days and who's going to watch this. If any of the old timers are around, hello, hi, how you doing? Glad to see you. Everything is good here, believe it or not. Life has been very, very good to Drew and the Drew Network. So hello to the friends and the acquaintances and the interesting people and the online characters I encountered along the way with the Drew Network adventure. Wishing you well, and I'm hoping life has been wonderful to each and every one of you, especially, like I say, the acquaintances that I got to know back when this was a thing. This is Drew. What is it? June the 23rd, I think. Yeah, I think it's June the 23rd, Sunday, I think, 2024. This is Drew. The Drew Network exists. And that's the report. God bless.